How's it going, everybody? It's Tony here, Poppa Homes, talking about turning credit into wealth by using the power of real estate. Up here on a Sunday, out and about, going to look at a few of my flips I got going on. Sometimes you start to lose count. So got 3, 4 going on, a couple sub twos here and there. This project here is winding down. You see that we painted outside the house, painters on the inside. And what I wanted to talk about more than anything is just the paint of properties, man. Paint can get very expensive. Different types of paint. It can get very expensive. You can talk about get a 5-gallon of paint can run you from $200 to $400 for those 5 gallons, depending on what type you get. You get flat, you get semi-gloss. I mean, it just depends on what you're looking at. But paint on a property like this can go a long way. If you guys remember, the original was just original brick, sort of just like our neighbor's house right here, just original brick, but we want to bring it back to life, with a little black trim up there, looking pretty good. So overall, the paint, guys, the paint is where it's at when you want to sell a property. Because as you can see, underneath the carport, I might have a video before. You can better see that the carport was a dark brownish look. Again, I wanted to give it a different type of look and a different type of. All right, we're gonna mow all this way here, all the way up to the corner of that gate. That's right there open. The corner of that gate. We're gonna mow all this way here. This is all our land here. We're gonna mow all this way here, all the way up there to that tree right there. That's outside. All the way up there to that tree. In the backyard, weedy, all this stuff here along the side. Weedy, all that stuff along the side. This pile of straw, put up in a good pile. Right here, all these straws here, put up in a good pile, right here, and burn them straws. Weedy along the gate, along the gate, all the way along the gate, and also along the house. And I mow everything else out here. Mow everything. Make sure you get all the sticks up and put them inside this pile here. Get all the sticks up, put them in the pile before you start mowing. Check that out, guys. Light features, baby. Light features. Changing light features out today. That's lovely. Look at that thing there. Probably been up there for 30 plus years. That thing has been up to 30 or 40 years. I'm taking all offers. I'm starting to bid off with $2,000. Not a penny less. All right, here's the back of the property. You see, we're getting this thing cleaned up, getting those scrolls off the roof that have been up there for years. And as you can see, all these pictures, like I said, those scrolls been up there for years. And we're getting this cleaned up because we got to have a nice looking house at the end. So it's coming together on that part. So after we got it done, this is how it looked. And man, those scrolls, it was amazing. Actually found a lot of stuff on that roof up there. Also, here's the inside of the house. We painted the brick inside the kitchen. This looks beautiful. I mean, it looks good. I put those nice lights up there as well. I mean, it just gives this living room a pop. And also, when it comes to the kitchen, I decided to not go quartz. We went with like epoxy. We'll epoxy these countertops with a grayish type colors to match the wall with the black vines in there. Hey, it looks good. So, man, I think this is going to be awesome.
Hey, if you want to be able to get up to a $10,000 check by using my free manual, show you how to get an assignment fee just by going out there, finding properties and bringing them over to us and allow us to buy them, I will tell you exactly where to go do it. So, right here in the description over any video of mine, click on more and click on the link right there. Now you have your own copy of this book. How amazing is that? Get your free copy today.